Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 96 divide 1 upon 3 then multiply 3. Okay, so before I show you the answer, I want to see your answer. So please stop this video right now and type your answer with step by step in comment because I am personally scoring every comment from out of 10. Okay, so let's see who gets a perfect score. Please don't cheating and post your answer first, then watch the solution. Okay, so please stop this video right now and solve this question step by step and comment your answer. I will give you marks from out of 10. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, so PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question, here is one division and here is one multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so now first we have to solve this part. Is equal to 96. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction 96 as it is same. Same means change the sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this last fraction 3 upon 1. Sorry, 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 1. Multiply 3. So now here is 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. So we can remove this one. Okay. So now here is one multiplication and here is one multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay, so is equal to 96 multiply 3 is equal to 288 multiply 3. So now 288 multiply 3 is equal to 864. Okay, so the correct answer is 864. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer because I will give you marks from out of 10. Okay, so let's see your level. Thanks for watching this video.